Hello everyone, I am your English teacher Richa Sharma from California Public School. I hope you all are fit and fine at your place. So today we are going to start with the topic articles. We have already discussed a and an, and today I'm going to discuss about the rules of using the. So first, please be ready with your notebooks and try to note down the important rules regarding the, and remember them to fill the blanks correctly. So as you know, a and an are indefinite articles, but the is definite article because it is used for the things about which we are sure. When we are sure about something, at that time we use the. So it is a definite article, and it is having number of rules to use it. So first of all, for one of their kind, the thing which is one only, the thing which is one only, one of their kind, जो सिर्फ एक है, for that unique thing we are using the. Okay, like the sun, only one sun, the moon, the world. The things which are one, the things which are unique, the things which are one of their kind, for them we are using the. Next, rivers, oceans and sea. Before the name of rivers, oceans and sea, we use the. Okay, like the Ganga, the Indian Ocean, the Red Sea. Next, the mountain ranges. Before the name of the mountain ranges, we use the, like the Himalayas, the Andes. Next, deserts. Before the name of deserts, Registan, the Thar Desert, the Sahara Desert. Next, historical monument, the famous buildings, you can say, historical monument, famous building, the Eiffel Tower, the Red Fort, the Gateway of India, like that. Okay, which are very famous building, which are related to the history. For those building we are using the. Next, for holy books, the things which the books which are related with the religion, the famous one, okay, like the Guru Granth Sahib, the Gita, the Bible, all these. For the holy books, the books which are related to the religion, or the very famous books, you can say. Some countries, the countries which are having the word united, federation, all these the countries which are having the word united, federation, with all these countries we are using the United Kingdom, the United States. Okay. Next is before the name of newspapers and trains. Before the name of newspaper, like the Times of India, and the Shatabdi Express, the Rajdhani Express. Before the names of the trains, before the names of the newspaper, we will use the. Superlative degree, the superlative degree, the word which is ending with est, superlative degree. Okay, so the tallest, the coldest, the smartest, superlative degree. Okay, the word which is ending with est or superlative degree, we will use the before them. Okay, again, for one of their kind, जो चीज़ सिर्फ एक है, which is unique one, which is one of their kind. Before the names of rivers, oceans and seas, before the names of mountain ranges, deserts, historical monument, or you can say historical buildings, famous buildings. For holy books, some countries which are having united, federation, all these words, with them we will use the. Newspapers or trains before the name of newspaper and trains, and superlative degree. Next is next we have to pay more attention on the definite article. The is used to refer to a person or thing already mentioned in previous sentence. What is meant by this? We use definite article the for the things जो चीज़ें पहले ही mention हो चुकी हैं, and we are sure about them, and when those things are getting repeated again, जब वही चीज़ दोबारा से repeat होती हैं, then we have to use the. When we are talking about the things for the first time, when we are talking about any person, anything for the first time, and about what we are not sure about, we are using a or an. Okay, when we are discussing about that thing, that person for the very first time, we are using a or an. But if we will talk about them in the next sentence also, then we know particularly about that person, about that thing. So for that we have to use the for the repeated one. Okay, जो already mention है उसके लिए हम the use करेंगे. For example, a lady was riding a bicycle. See, lady, we first time, bicycle one first time, so we are using a lady, a bicycle. Okay, a lady was riding a bicycle. It was dark and the lady. Now see, this lady has this lady is mentioned in previous sentence also. Now it is getting repeated. Okay, so we have to use the. A lady, first time a lady was riding a bicycle. It was dark and the lady. Now we are sure that we are talking about this particular lady. Okay, so it was dark and the lady fell into a pit. With the bicycle. Now bicycle is getting repeated again. For the first time we use a, for second time we are using the. Okay, a stranger who was walking nearby pulled the lady. Again lady is getting repeated, so we have to use the. Okay, a stranger who was walking nearby pulled the lady and the bicycle out of the pit. Pit is again getting repeated. Now see, stranger came only one time. It is not getting repeated again, so we haven't used the. Okay, it has come only single time, so we are using a. Whenever we are talking about the things or person for the very first time, we are using a or an. But when that person or thing is getting repeated, जब उसको दोबारा से sentence में हम बात कर रहे हैं, at that time we have to use the. Okay, we have to use the. A lady was riding a bicycle. It was dark and the lady fell into a pit with the bicycle. A stranger who was walking nearby pulled the lady and the bicycle out of the pit. Okay, these are some of the rules which we use for definite article the. Please remember these rules while filling the blanks. It will help you to fill the blanks correctly. So I am having some of the examples also. Now let us read some examples given below. See, when the sun, single, unique, one of its kind. Okay, so when the sun sets, it looks like an orange ball. Let us go upstairs and see the moon, one of their kind or unique thing. One, moon. Okay. Next, the Narmada, the Yamuna, the Brahmaputra are famous rivers. Okay, before the names of river we have to use the. Okay, so these all are the names of the river. The Narmada, the Yamuna, the Brahmaputra are famous rivers. These are the name of the rivers. Next, I have visited the Charminar, the Gateway of India, the Victoria Memorial in our country. These all are the names of historical monument, or you can say famous buildings. I have visited the Charminar, the Gateway of India, the Victoria Memorial in our country. These are name of famous buildings, historical monuments. The Himalayas, mountain ranges. The Himalayas are one of the longest, superlative degree. Okay, superlative degree. The Himalayas are one of the longest mountain ranges in the world. See, world, single. Okay, I bought a book yesterday. First time, a book, first. The book, again the book is getting repeated. The word book is getting repeated. So that's why I have used the. I bought a book yesterday, and the book is about dinosaurs. Okay, if you will keep the rules in your mind, it is going to help you a lot in filling the blanks correctly. Please try to remember all these rules. On your notebooks also, please try to practice them and do as much revision as you can do of these rules. And I hope I have cleared your doubts. So this is all from my side. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.